War Games Challenge 1. Let's take it down. A lot of ways to do it, really not hard. We're going to get rid of him, but just not yet. First, we're going to clear out this stuff here. We're going to use 4 Lightbringers. Got to watch out for him. He'll do you some damage, so we got to kill him. Get rid of him. The rest of them won't do much, but he'll hit you. Oh, yeah, got a little bit out of whack there, bud. Where do you think you're going? We're just doing this because if we leave these guys here, they will kill the troops. Okay, here he comes back. Now we'll retreat. We're going to kill him. If we start by trying to kill him, these guys will help defend, so we get rid of them. Now when he goes back around, we're going to bring in our bounty hunter. And the bounty hunter is just going to make something for him to shoot at. And then we're going to kill him with 4 Lightbringers and 4 Wastelanders. All right, we missed him. Doesn't matter. We'll get him next time. Oh, whoa. Brought in the wrong guy. Bring in the Wastelanders. Brought in my Dev. Don't really need Dev. Okay, he's going to start shooting that when he does. Okay, now we're going to kill him. Okay, this base is basically done at this point. We don't need him. We don't need him. And we'll just clean out the rest. Our Lightbringer's got a little bit of damage. Most of the stuff is really easy to kill. Well, everything's easy to kill. You just got to watch out for these. I don't even know what kind of the rail it is. One of these guns that shoots little pellets at you, and they'll do significant damage. All these other ones won't do anything. It's these ones here. Well, he'll shoot you if you're not careful, but he won't do you any significant damage. The ones you want to kill, the ones you have to need to be careful of. There's one here. There's one here. So don't get too close to him. All right, we should be able to get him right there. Yep, got him. Now we got to get this guy. There, get rid of him. It's very simple. This isn't hard at all. We got him and him and him, so you just got to figure out how you can get them without them shooting you. But these guys will do you some damage, so get rid of them first. Shoot him. Okay, he didn't get him. He might shoot us. Yep, see, he shot us. He'll do you some damage. We didn't handle it well, but that's all right. We'll survive. He's the only other one you really have to worry about. We'll go over here and we'll shoot right here, and that should get him. If you get too close, he just shoots you. All right, that's it. It's just that easy, just that quick. Let's go do a 2. challenge too. I bring all these troops. I don't need them, but I bring them just in case. Especially these Wastelanders, they're kind of nice. All right. What do we got? Ah, yes, okay. This one here, you got to be a little bit careful. We will take this out with forest. So put forest there. We'll deselect him. We'll bring in Dopplers. And then when the little troops attack him, we'll kill him with the Dopplers. That's it. Now they'll attack him. We'll kill him with the Dopplers. Same thing they'll do here. Kill them with the Dopplers. Got to be careful because if the other things get out there, it will damage your Dopplers. So you got to be careful. All right, there's one. Get rid of him. Let them come to you. Over here it gets a little bit tricky because you got a bounty hunter over here. And if you're not careful, he will do you in. So you got to be careful. He'll take out your Dopplers in a heartbeat. Look out, look out, look out. We got some damage because we didn't do it right. That's all right. Okay, now we can take out several of the rails over here. But right in here is a bounty hunter, and if he shoots your air, you'll get damaged, so you got to be careful. Got him. Take him out. There he is. There's a bounty hunter. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, mistake. Get rid of them. They took some damage. Let's bring in some more Dopplers and see if we can't get that bounty hunter. There he is. You got to lead with the little soldiers. And if you work it right, because the bounty hunter will take out your Dopplers. I don't know if we got him or not. We might have gotten him. All right, one more thing we have to take out with the Dopplers. Come on, work with me here. There we go. Okay, for the rest, you got to be careful here. No, didn't do it right. Get back. These guys are a pain in the butt. If you want to do it quicker, just use Wastelanders. You can do it quicker with Wastelanders. All right, make these guys go away. I'll show you how Wastelanders can help you. Go away. Wastelanders. Wastelanders will take out these souls real easily. Bam. Wastelanders are great against souls. That's it. Got a little bit of damage, not much. All right, let's repair them and make another video.